In this tutorial, we'll be learning how to make a fixed website header. So let's get started. So guys, welcome to my screen. I'll be doing a fixed website header, or we can also say a sticky website header. And this is my header. It is transparent. When I'm scrolling down, my header cannot show at the top here of my page, but I want it to show. So for me to achieve that, I will bring in a box widget. And then make sure it fits. And then, okay. So I'll remove the thickness here. I don't want it there. Then I will change the color to, okay. So I have icons and text in my header, and it is not showing because the widget is on top of it. So for me to make it, I want it to show. So to achieve that, I will select the widget here, then click on it and drag. I will select it here and then click on it and drag it under the home here. Okay, here we go. So it's showing. And now let me preview so you can see. Okay, so this is my header here, and when I'm scrolling down, it is not showing. I want it to show, so I have to add a condition to it. And to do that, I will select my header, which is the box widget, and then select everything within it and change it to dynamic panel. Okay, now so it's dynamic panel. I have to add the condition to it. And okay, pin to browser, then pin to browser window. It is on the left. I want it to be in the center because my design is in the middle, so I want it to be in the center. Okay, so here we go. Let me preview so that we can see. Okay, so this is my header. When I'm scrolling down, it is there. Okay, and there's another way we can also do it. So to do that, I will select my header here, then copy it and paste it. And then I don't want the header here, but I want everything that is in the header. I want everything within the header, but I don't want the box widget here. So I have to delete the box widget, remove them from the dynamic panel, then delete the box widget only, because I want to maintain the icon here and the text and the logo. So to do that, I will select everything in the dynamic panel here. So I will select everything, then drag it, then drag it here. Okay, then I will delete the dynamic panel here. So I will delete it. Okay, then fit it at the top here, then hide it. Okay, let me preview so that you can see. Okay, now so it's transparent, and I have to do the interaction so that when I'm scrolling down, you will see down at the bottom of my page, you will see it, and then when I'm scrolling at the top, it will hide. So to achieve that, first let me give my dynamic panel a name. So let's say fixed header. Okay. Then to do the interaction, please make sure you won't select the header here, and then come to interaction, new interaction, then window, scroll down, show or hide. So my dynamic panel name is fixed header. It's on show already. Okay, then I want it to fade. Okay, so let me preview now. Then okay, so here we go. But when I'm scrolling down, my header shows. When I'm scrolling at the top too, it is still showing. I want it to hide. So to do that, I'll come here to new interaction, then window, scroll up. Okay, hide or show, fix header. That is my dynamic panel name. I want it to hide. It's on show. I want it to hide. Then it should fade. Okay, so let me check. Okay, so now let me preview so we can see. Okay, this is it. So when I'm scrolling down, my header shows, and then when I'm scrolling at the top, my header it hide. Okay, so please, this is how we can do a fixed website header or a sticky website header. And guys, if you want to use my design, not to worry, I will leave the link in my description. So all you need to do, just click on the link and then download it. You can also use your own design.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.